Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button, and that way you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the cells color in Microsoft Excel. So first, you need to open the specific file or document that you will use in Microsoft Excel. Now let's try to use this one. So since we are going to change the color of a specific cell or cells in Microsoft Excel, you need to click those cells that you want to change the color. So since the current color right here is white, or it means there's no fill yet, so let's try to use this. So I selected these cells right here. So for you to proceed in changing the color of these cells, you should be under the Home tab right here. So right after that one, wait one moment. Try to use this here. So right after that one, you should be under font. And there's an option right here, which is fill color. All you have to do is click that one and then click a specific color that you want to fill on those cells. If you're not satisfied with these colors right here, you can also click the more colors, and that way you'll have another options. Let's try this one. And there, just click OK. And that's how you fill or add colors in cells in Microsoft Excel. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.